Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to completely remove or replace, if you have to, the rear taillights from any Audi Q5 out there. Today I'm working on this Audi. This one is made in the year 2013 and I'll have to remove the rear taillights because I want to polish them and make them like new. Right here I have the taillight from the left side, which I already removed from the vehicle, and if you want to remove it, you have to remove a few plastic clips from right underneath the trunk, and after that the headlight is secured to the trunk with 3 screws, and you have to remove the 3 screws with a 10mm socket, and after that you have to disconnect the power supply and the taillight will come out from its place. Okay everybody, so in the left side everything is removed. This is how everything is looking with the taillight removed from the trunk, and in the right side is looking like this. And to begin, what you have to do first is to remove this plastic part in the left side, and after that you have to remove this bigger plastic part. You have to put your hand right here underneath and you have to pull it out because it's only holding in with a few plastic clips, and if you pull a little bit harder it will come out from its place and it will reveal the 2 screws which are securing the taillight mounted to the trunk. Okay everybody, so as you can see, this bigger plastic part is removed from the trunk. You can put it away and now you have a lot of access to the screws which are securing the taillight mounted to the trunk. After that you have to remove this little plastic part from right here. You have to put your hand like this and you have to remove it out from the trunk. Right now, as you can see, you have a lot of access to the 3rd screw, which is securing the taillight mounted to the trunk, and right here it is a power supply. You have to push this plastic clip in to remove it from the trunk, and after that you have to disconnect the connector and you can remove the taillight from the trunk. Alright everybody, so as you can see, you have to lift it up. In my case, it's a little bit difficult to do it with one hand, but the taillight is coming out very easy from the trunk, and most likely this is all you have to do if you want to remove it from this kind of vehicle. From here, you can do whatever thing you want with the taillight. You can replace it, you can install a new one or something like that. This is how to remove the rear taillight from any Audi Q5, doesn't matter which year it is. Thank you all for watching. If you liked the video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.